The writing task. You are the charge nurse on the maternity ward where Rosalind Hinds was born and need to write a letter to the local community midwifery team outlining relevant information and requesting discharge follow-up, and address the letter to Maitland Maternal and Child Health Center, Maitland. Here you are going to write a letter to the local community midwifery team for the follow-up care and assistance of a 6-day-old baby. Now we can mark the relevant data. Here the patient's name is Rosalind Hinds, 6 days age. Next of kin is mother Janet Keating. Date of birth 22 April 2011. Discharge date is 28 April 2011. Then diagnosis is low birth weight and opioid dependence. Family will live with mother at maternal grandmother's house. Background information: mother is 22 years and heroin dependent for 2 years. Mother is single and recently worked as a sex worker. Estranged from the father of Rosalind as alleged domestic violence towards her during the pregnancy. Then next one is Janet's mother is supportive. This is first child, and Department of Community Services involved but approved discharge. Living situation as long as with grandmother. During hospitalization, both mother and baby completed heroin withdrawal without any complications. Baby's present weight is 2.3, birth weight is 2 kg. Then bottle feeding erratically, decreased appetite, due to which there is poor bonding between mother and baby. Janet often needs prompting to care her baby. Drug and alcohol team involved in managing Janet's ongoing addiction issue. Then the discharge plan: daily visits until patient stable weight and feeding stable. Ensure a safe environment for baby and update Department of Community Service if any risk. Monitor mother's coping and psychological status. Educate mother and grandmother regarding infant care. Then coordinate with drug and alcohol team to provide support in order to reduce the risk of heroin dependency. Here the baby's name is Rosalind Hinds and mother's name is Miss Keatings. Here the diagnosis is low birth weight and opioid dependence, and purpose is follow-up care and assistance, that is daily visit until the weight and feeding become stable. Now we can write the letter. Here date is 28 April 2011. Then address: the local community midwifery team, Maitland Maternal and Child Health Center, Maitland. Then dear sir or madam, regarding Rosalind Hinds, 6 days old. Then in the introduction we can write like this: I am writing to request daily visits for Rosalind, who was diagnosed with low birth weight and opioid dependence, requires follow-up care and assistance or ongoing care and assistance. Baby is due for discharge today. Then next body paragraph you can write: Rosalind's mother, Miss Keating, is single and worked as a sex worker. She has a history of heroin dependency for the last 2 years. She lives with her mother due to the domestic violence of the baby's father during pregnancy. In the next paragraph you can write like this: Rosalind was delivered on 22 April 2011 with a birth weight of 2 kg. Both of them completed the heroin withdrawal without any complications. However, The mother and baby have poor bonding. The mother often needs positive prompting for the baby care. Baby's appetite has decreased due to erratic bottle feeding. Subsequently, current weight is 2.3 kilograms. Therefore, Miss Keating was assessed by the drug and alcohol team. Then, next paragraph you can write, it would be greatly appreciated if you could visit Rosalind until the weight and feeding become stable. Please ensure a safe environment for the baby. Kindly inform the Department of Community Service in case of any risk. Rosalind's mother requires monitoring of psychological status and coping ability. Please note, Rosalind's mother and grandmother need education regarding infant care. It is beneficial to coordinate drug and alcohol team to provide support for Miss Keating for reducing the risk of heroin dependency. In the conclusion part you can write, if you require further information, please do not hesitate to contact me. Yours sincerely, registered nurse.